SwapFans AI is one of the most talked about tools in the AI space right now, and it's just been released. But is it really as groundbreaking as people are claiming? In this video, we'll dive deep into 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping on board. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because I'll also share how you can try SwapFans AI completely free, link in the description below. Let's kick things off by talking about what SwapFans AI actually does. At its core, SwapFans AI is designed to simplify fan engagement. Whether you're running a brand, a creator platform, or just managing a large community, this tool helps you enhance user interaction by automatically customizing content based on user preferences. It's essentially a smart fan engagement engine that tailors interactions to keep your community engaged and your growth on track. Now, one of the most impressive features is its ability to integrate seamlessly with major platforms, allowing you to optimize your fan engagement across multiple channels without having to juggle countless tools. You can push personalized content directly to your audience on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, making it feel like you're right there with them at all times. Another key benefit of SwapFans AI is its deep learning capabilities. The AI can actually learn from user behavior and adapt over time, ensuring that the content it serves is always relevant. It's not just about pushing content out there, it's about understanding what resonates with your audience and refining those interactions. For creators, marketers, or anyone who's dealing with a large, dynamic audience, this is a game changer. But here's where it gets really interesting. SwapFans AI doesn't just offer engagement features. It's got built-in analytics that give you a clear picture of how your fans are interacting with your content. You get instant feedback on what works, and more importantly, what doesn't. This means you can constantly tweak your strategy for maximum impact. And the best part? These insights are automated, saving you the headache of manually tracking all the metrics yourself. Another big selling point is its scalability. Whether you're just starting with a small fan base or managing millions of followers, SwapFans AI can grow with you. The software is designed to handle massive amounts of data and still perform efficiently. So, as your community grows, this tool will adapt and ensure you're always on top of your fan interactions. Now let's talk about pricing. While SwapFans AI offers an array of features, it's accessible for all levels. You can start for free, which is huge. It's a great way to test the waters before committing, and you get to experience its potential without putting down any money upfront. Plus, the free trial lets you dive into all the key features, so you can see if it aligns with your needs. Lastly, the user interface is extremely intuitive. Even if you're not super tech savvy, you'll find SwapFans AI easy to navigate. The clean, simple layout ensures you can hit the ground running without wasting time on a steep learning curve. Everything is laid out clearly, from creating campaigns to analyzing performance. SwapFans AI makes it feel like second nature. To sum up, SwapFans AI is a tool that could seriously elevate the way you engage with your community. With its deep learning capabilities, seamless platform integrations, automated analytics, and scalable features, it stands out as one of the best AI tools for fan engagement. And remember, you can try it for free through the first link in the description below. If you're serious about growing your fan base and optimizing your engagement strategy, I highly recommend giving it a shot. And don't forget to check out the recommended AI software list in the description. After testing thousands of tools, I've narrowed it down to the best ones that you can try for free today.